Welcome to our channel. Listen, speak and learn English.
I hope Mom won't bring up marriage again. I'm so tired of this conversation.
If I mention marriage, Lenka will get furious again. And I already know her answer. She'll refuse. But how long can she keep avoiding this?
Mom, I'm heading to the office.
Okay, sweetheart, take care. See you in the evening.
Ryan? What are you doing here?
Lenka, I overheard your conversation with your parents last night. I know you don't want to get married so soon, and that's okay. Take your time, but I just wanted to be honest with you. I really like you.
Oh no, what's happening to me? First, my mom keeps bringing up marriage, and now Ryan is confessing his feelings. I wasn't ready for this. What should I do? Maybe I should talk to John. He always gives me good advice. He might help me figure this out. Hey, can we meet? I need to talk to you about something important.
Of course, Lenka. Let's meet after work at 5 p.m. Hey, Lenka.
Hello, John.
You sound worried. What's wrong?
It's about my mom. She wants me to marry Ryan, but I don't want to.
What? Marriage? So suddenly? And Ryan? Who is he?
Let me explain everything. I don't want to get married so soon, John. I want to focus on my career first.
I see. That's a tough situation. Have you talked to Ryan about this?
No, not yet.
I think you should talk to Ryan. Just be direct. Tell him you don't want to marry him and want to focus on your career first.
Sounds good. I just hope he understands.
If he cares about you, he will. Just talk to him with honesty and kindness.
Thanks for the advice. You are a savior. Hi, Ryan. This is Lenka. Meet me at the garden tomorrow. Hi, Ryan.
Hello, Lenka. Why did you call me here? Is all okay?
I want to talk to you something important.
I am all ears.
I have a dream. I want to build a successful career. I've worked really hard for it, and I don't want to risk it by getting married right now. Please don't take this the wrong way. This isn't about you. It's about me. I'm just not ready for marriage. Not with you or anyone else at this point in my life.
Thank you for being honest with me. I really admire your dedication to building your career, and I completely understand that you're not ready for marriage right now. I care about you, and I'm here to support you, no matter what.
Really? Thank you, Ryan. Friends,
Yeah, friends. Well, now we are friends. So, as a friend, would you like to show me around your city? I am new here and don't know which places to visit.
Yes, of course, Ryan. Be ready at 5.
Thank you, Lenka.
Hello, friends. How are you all doing? If you enjoyed this episode, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Lenka was worried, but John gave her some valuable suggestions. To her surprise, his advice worked, and she felt much better. However, John was left in shock when he discovered the truth about Ryan. Now, an unexpected bond has formed. Ryan and Lenka have become friends. But what lies ahead for them? Will their friendship bring new challenges or hidden truths? This journey is only getting more exciting and unpredictable. Don't miss out on what happens next, and don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.